Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm super excited and super proud. I'm going to show off this. This is the second Paris journal I've made, and it's kind of, I guess it would be the second in the series really. It's kind of made with a lot of the same fabrics, the same papers and stuff. I had a lot of leftover stuff from the first one, and so I decided to make a second one. So here it is. I used this trim for the tie, and here's the inside cover. So this came from my printable. We have like just a little cluster up here. We have a tag and a pocket. And this is one of the my greeting card writing things. This is beat dyed paper. I did sewed fabrics and rickracs and laces all throughout the journal. Here's my flippy book with journaling space. Dum-dum. And that just slides right in there. And then there's also space down here to write. And this, all of this stamped back here, this is all Lorna's tailor-made journals, her new stamps. So that's what that is. And I put, there's quite a bit of stamping done throughout the journal with those stamps. Here's more. This was a book illustration. I just made it into a journaling card. This came from an old book, like an old, they're like ads for, I think, French magazines, old French magazines. Another little collage card I made with a sticker and some stuff on it. And then I painted this, those circles, and I put that little lady on there. We have some flag ribbon, some stenciling, more journaling space. I have a belly band with her, and she's also an old book illustration. I think from an ad, I think another French ad for perfume or something. So that goes in there. We have my little circle pockets, and this all came from my Paris digital kit. Some little flowers. This little triple pocket thing, which I just put these cute little things that you could write on or whatever. Put little pictures or whatever. So there's 3 of those. Ribbon. An altered index card. Another book illustration that I made into a journaling card. This is just a little journaling envelope thing. Here's another greeting card, journaling for journaling. A little wraparound page pocket, a notebook. This thing, it like moves. We have a little pocket with a little ticket, and it's just a journal. More stamping from Lorna's stamp. Just some biscuitsing. These were pulled from Graphics Fairy. This came out of my kit. It's a little envelope. And I put these little journaling cards in, and these came from my romance kit, but I thought that they matched perfect and went with the whole theme of you know, Paris and love, kind of. There we go. Here is another one of those pretty book lady book illustrations of that lady, and I made her into a pocket and just put some journaling cards. Here's another greeting card writing thing, but I collaged on this one. Let's see, another pocket with a tag that has a a hangy ticket and just more journaling space. There's a pocket up here, and this came from an old book illustration ad or whatever. This, some journaling. This came out of the Paris digital kit. We have a tearaway notebook, a pocket on the top, and these are also old book illustrations, and this is just for journaling. Lots of journaling space. This just opens up. It's got some tickets inside. More like journaling space, pretty page. Another old book illustration. This was for an ad, I think, for, yeah, like this hotel and casino. These beautiful feathers and this bird was sent to me by the lovely Jean. And I love the way, this is one of my favorite pages, even though it's simple, I do love the way it came out. We have an altered paperclip. This tag. This was a Take 5 challenge. So, and I thought it went perfect in the journal. Just some using up some scraps to make a journaling. We have this cute little round notebook paper for journaling. Yep. And this pocket was made collaging tickets, so that was fun. Here's one of my clusters. Which I love. Some more tickets. Right, so this is like a double pocket. We have one pocket here and then a little pocket here. And this is one of my quote cards. There's this. Some journaling space, the pocket. Some Artie Mays and like a Paris map printed on there or put on there. This is this paper is Shabbydabbydooddah's Paris kit. This was alcohol ink, like eco-dyed kind of paper. Here's another triple pocket. This one has each one has a ticket and a little tiny notebook. So a ticket and a notebook. So there's that page. This one. We have a little notebook here. And this is one of these Zine kind of notebooks. Oh, I need to trim that. Goodness. I left a little piece of ribbon. There we go. Okay, we have this. This is really cool. Another old book illustration. We have this. And then this also has a tag that comes out. So there's that. This opens and is a flip out, and then there is a notebook in here. Right? And it's like a whole little journal, little mini journal right there. Here's a big journaling card. the tab. Another old book illustration. Think of a dancer, a French dancer. Another old book illustration or advertisement. And then on the top we have these little things and their little tags that come out. I like this one. That one came out really good. So there's that page. More journaling space. This is the secret writing space. Right? So we have a frame and this pretty picture, and I actually put some dried flowers in there. And you pull this out and you have your writing space. So I don't know how that little piece of pink got in there, but it wants to be in there. Here we have another little notebook. This one was made out of an envelope I just tied with a ribbon. I was experimenting with different ways of doing notebooks. This little ticket. Another little notebook. Lots of little notebooks. Two more little tickets. These came out of my digital kit. Another greeting card. Journaling area. This is so cute. Look at this little red dress with the hanger. There were two of these, and Debbie, that's a scrapbooking lady who gave me all those supplies. This was in one of those bags of stuff. And I found two of them, and so I had to put one in this journal because it's so cute. And then here's our last page. So that is Paris in Love, or Romantic Paris, or anyway, it will be listed in the shop. I will have it listed in the shop later today. Thank you so much for joining me and taking a look at it. I love it. It's a quilted hardcover. So it's quilted, but it's a hardcover. Anyway, thank you. Bye.